Today, I will show you how easy it is to operate your website's backend. Almost all our distributors initially afraid to manage or control their website's backend admin panel, and we understand that. But actually, our backend system is very user-friendly, easy to access, and simple to use. In fact, you can even manage your website directly from your mobile phone. First, your dedicated CRM shares your backend login credential to your email, your username, and password during the website delivery. In that email, you can find all your important credentials and website details. Now, click on the backend link from the delivery email, which opens the admin panel login page, and simply type your username and password to log in into your backend dashboard. Using this admin panel, you can manage and update almost all parts of your website, such as banners, product prices, content pages, profit settings, theme colors, coupons, discounts, taxes, payment gateways, shipping settings, and many other website features. On the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile icon. When you click that icon, it will show 4 options: Settings, Admin Settings, Logout, View Site. Now let's click the setting button. It directly goes to the site settings section where you can add your company details. And if you want to change your admin username or password, simply click on Admin Settings. A new screen will open where you can update your username and password according to your choice. Now let's understand the View Site option. When you click this button, it directly opens your website's front end. Now move forward to the site settings section. This section controls your basic business information, SEO settings, login integrations, tracking tools, and top header announcements. When you open this section, first you will see the logo upload option. The recommended logo size is already mentioned here. You can create your logo using Canva or Photoshop or any logo maker website, or you can take help from any logo designer. Once your logo is ready, simply upload it here. The company name shows as your business identity on the website. Address, email, and contact number are appear at the footer of your website. The copyright text appears at the bottom of the footer section of your website. Now move forward to the email settings for sending email section. This section controls which email address to use to send automatic system generated emails to the customers. Example: customer registration emails, password reset emails, order confirmation emails, contact from emails. We already configured the section with your domain email address, so we suggest not to change or edit this section. Now move forward to the home page meta tag section. This section helps to improve your website's SEO and online visibility. Here you can add meta title, meta keywords, description, meta subject, copyright, meta author, meta owner. These details will help Google and other search engines to understand your website, to improve your search engine visibility, and to improve SEO ranking. For an example, if someone searches CZ jewelry manufacturer, Google may show your website based on the SEO settings. Your website allows Facebook and Google login for your customers. Below here you can see Facebook client key, Facebook secret key, Google client key, Google secret key. To enable login from Facebook or Google, you need to create developer accounts on Facebook Developer Console and Google Developer Console. Then you need to copy the client key and the secret key and paste them here. Then select Yes to enable social login, No to disable social login. Once enabled, Facebook and Google login buttons will appear on the registration and login page. Now move forward to the marketing and tracking section. Here you will see Google Analytics script, Facebook Pixel script, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Messenger script, Quora Pixel script. These tools help you to track website visitors, run Facebook ads, run Google ads, measure customer activity, improve marketing performance. Now move forward to the header flash text section. This section controls the small announcement you want to show at the top of your website. You can use it for festival offers, sales announcements, shipping updates, or discount offers. Examples: 10% off sale, Diwali offer live now, free shipping available, new collection launch. You can also attach internal or external links with the flash messages. For an example, if customer clicks to the offer text, you can redirect them to any product category or offer page, social media page, or any custom links. You can create 3 header flash messages and links from here.